Do you feel like belly fat is the hardest thing to get rid of? You're not alone. Millions struggle with stubborn belly fat, but here's the secret. You don't need hours in the gym or expensive equipment. Today I'll show you a simple beginner-friendly workout you can do right at home to finally take control of your belly fat. No crash diets, no complicated moves, just real results step by step. Stay with me until the very end because I've saved the most effective move for last, the one that will transform your belly workout forever. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to your beginner belly fat journey. If you've clicked this video, chances are you've tried before. Maybe you've done endless crunches or followed tough workouts that felt impossible to stick with. But here's the truth, the best workout is the one you can actually do consistently. That's why today I've designed a simple, effective and beginner-friendly belly fat workout you can start today right in your living room. This isn't about punishing your body. It's about building strength, burning calories, and kickstarting your fat loss in a way that feels good. The best part? These moves are designed to work your core muscles, increase your metabolism, and help reduce belly fat over time. And you don't need any equipment, just your body and your commitment. Here's how it works. I'll guide you through 10 powerful beginner exercises step by step. Each move is easy to follow, but don't underestimate them. They'll challenge you in just the right way. And if you stay until the end, I promise you'll feel stronger, more confident, and more motivated to keep going. So grab some water, clear a little space, and let's start your belly fat journey right here, right now. You're not just watching a workout, you're stepping into a new version of yourself. Ready? Let's go. Exercise 1. High knees. Let's begin with something simple yet powerful, marching in place with high knees. This is the perfect warm-up to get your blood flowing, your heart rate up, and your belly ready to burn fat. Here's how you do it. Stand tall, tighten your core, and lift your knees one at a time as if you're marching in place. The goal isn't speed, it's control. Focus on bringing your knees up high, engaging your abs with each lift and keeping your posture strong. This move may seem basic, but it does two important things. First, it fires up your core and hip flexors. Second, it signals your body to start burning calories. Think of it as flipping the switch from rest mode into fat burning mode. Keep your arms moving naturally, almost like you're power walking in place, and breathe deeply. Do this for 45 seconds, then rest for 15. You'll start to feel your core tighten, and that's a sign your body is engaging in exactly the right way. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every march, every lift is one step closer to burning off stubborn belly fat. Stay with me because this is just the beginning and the best is yet to come. Exercise 2. Standing side crunch. Now that your body is warmed up, let's move into the standing side crunch, a beginner-friendly move that directly targets the sides of your belly, also known as the obliques. These muscles are key in trimming down the love handles and tightening your waistline. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands gently behind your head, keeping your elbows wide. Now lift your right knee toward your right elbow as you crunch your upper body slightly downward. Feel your oblique muscles contract as they work to bring that knee up. Lower your leg back down and repeat on the left side. The beauty of this exercise is that it engages your abs without having to get down on the floor, making it perfect for beginners. It also improves balance and coordination while burning calories. The key is control, don't rush. Focus on squeezing your core each time your knee and elbow move closer together. Try this for 45 seconds, alternating sides, and then rest for 15. With each crunch, picture your waistline tightening and your belly fat melting away. This move isn't just about strength, it's about sculpting that toned, confident midsection you're working toward. Exercise 3. Seated knee tucks. Next, we're going to fire up those lower abs with seated knee tucks. Lower belly fat is often the most stubborn, but this move zeroes in on that exact area. Find a sturdy chair or sit at the edge of your workout mat. Lean back slightly, keeping your hands on the floor or the chair for balance. Now lift both knees toward your chest as you squeeze your core. Slowly extend your legs out in front of you, hovering just above the ground, and then pull them back in. That's one rep. What makes this exercise so powerful is the constant tension it puts on your abs. Every time you pull your knees and you're crunching your core, and every time you extend out, your lower abs are holding strong to stabilize you. This double action means more calorie burn and more belly fat loss. Keep your movements controlled, don't swing your legs. The slower you go, the harder your abs work. Do this for 12 to 15 reps or 45 seconds straight if you prefer timed intervals. Remember, the burn you feel is your muscles waking up and building strength. Stick with it and soon your lower belly will start to tighten and flatten. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a fat-burning classic, but we're going to do a beginner-friendly version that's just as effective. Start in a plank position on your hands, shoulders stacked over your wrists, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Now instead of sprinting your knees forward, quickly take it slower. Bring one knee toward your chest, step it back, then switch to the other leg. Keep alternating in a smooth, steady rhythm. This modification keeps the intensity manageable while still targeting your abs, shoulders, and even your legs. Plus, because you're holding a plank, your entire core is working overtime to keep your body stable. It's like doing cardio and strength training all at once. Focus on keeping your hips low and your back straight. Don't let your body sag. Every time your knee drives forward, pull your belly button in toward your spine to really activate those deep core muscles. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds, rest for 15, and repeat once more if you can. Even at a slower pace, you'll feel your heart rate climb, your core tighten, and your energy skyrocket. This is a move you'll want to come back to again and again. Exercise 5. Standing torso twists. Now let's pick up the energy with a move that's simple but incredibly effective for melting belly fat. Standing torso twists. This exercise is fantastic because it's not just a core move, it's also cardio. That means you're burning calories while strengthening the muscles around your waistline. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent for stability. Extend your arms in front of you as if holding a big ball. Now begin twisting your upper body from side to side, rotating your torso while keeping your hips facing forward. To make the move more dynamic, lift one heel off the ground as you twist. This small adjustment allows for a bigger, more powerful range of motion, and it engages even more muscles in your core. The secret to making torso twists work is control. Don't just swing your arms, engage your abs as if you're wringing out your waist with every twist. Breathe steadily and stay light on your feet. After 15 to 20 seconds, you'll feel your heart rate climb, and that's exactly what we want because higher heart rate means more fat burn. Go for 45 seconds, then take a 15-second rest. Imagine with every twist that you're literally squeezing out excess fat and sculpting a leaner, stronger waistline. Keep pushing because this movement is not just burning belly fat, it's waking up your metabolism, energizing your body, and keeping you in fat-burning mode long after the workout ends. Exercise 6. Flutter kicks. Now it's time to fire up the lower belly with one of the most powerful moves in the workout, flutter kicks. If you've struggled with stubborn lower belly fat, this is the exercise that can help you finally take control of that area. Lie flat on your back with your hands tucked slightly under your hips for support. Lift your legs a few inches off the floor, keeping them straight. Now begin fluttering your feet up and down in a quick, controlled motion like you're swimming. Here's the important part: keep your lower back pressed firmly into the floor the whole time. This protects your spine and forces your abs to do all the work. If it's too challenging at first, bend your knees slightly or lift your legs higher. The lower your legs are to the floor, the harder your abs have to work. Do this for 20 to 30 seconds, then rest for 15 and try again. Over time, aim for 45 seconds straight. The burn you feel is your lower abs being activated, and that's a good thing. Flutter kicks don't just work your abs, they also challenge your hip flexors and improve endurance. Think of it like chiseling away at your belly fat one kick at a time. Stay strong, stay consistent, and soon you'll see your lower belly tighten and flatten. Exercise 7. Dead bug. We've got a move with a funny name but amazing results: the dead bug. Don't let the name fool you. This is one of the safest and most effective core exercises for beginners. Here's how you do it. Lie flat on your back and lift your arms straight toward the ceiling. Now bend your knees at 90 degrees so your legs are lifted as well. From here, slowly lower your right arm behind your head while extending your left leg straight out. Bring them back to the starting position, then switch sides, left arm and right leg. The key to this move is control. Don't rush. Keep your lower back glued to the floor the entire time. That's what activates your deep core muscles, the ones that act like a natural corset, pulling in your waist and flattening your belly. Do 8 to 10 reps per side or keep alternating for 45 seconds. Focus on breathing out as you extend and breathing in as you return. This exercise not only burns fat but also builds a strong, stable core, which improves posture and protects your lower back. It's functional, safe, and incredibly effective. If you stay consistent, the dead bug will transform the way your abs look and feel. Exercise 8. Side plank. Let's shift focus to the sides of your core with the side plank, one of the best moves to sculpt a slim, toned waistline. Don't worry if planks feel intimidating, we're starting with the beginner version. Begin by lying on your side with your knees bent and stacked on top of each other. Prop yourself up on your elbow, making sure it's directly under your shoulder. Now lift your hips off the ground so your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Hold this position while keeping your abs and obliques tight. As you build strength, you can progress by straightening your legs legs so your body forms a diagonal line from head to feet. You can even extend your top arm to the sky for balance. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds per side, resting as needed. Focus on not letting your hips sag. It may look simple, but this move works your obliques, abs, hips, and shoulders all at once. It builds strength, balance, and stability, and those are the keys to long-term belly fat loss. The side plank isn't just about looking lean, it's about feeling strong and confident in your own body. Stick with it and you'll notice your waistline becoming more defined with every session. Exercise 9. Modified burpees. Now we're going to tackle one of the most powerful fat-burning moves of all time, burpees, but in a beginner-friendly way. Don't worry, we're removing the high-impact jump so it's safe, effective, and doable for everyone. Here's how to do it. Start standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend down, place your hands on the floor, and step your feet back one at a time into a plank position. Hold that plank for a second, engaging your core, then step your feet forward again and return to standing. That's 1 rep. This simplified version may not have the jump, but it still gives you all the benefits: core strength, calorie burn, and full body conditioning. You're working your arms, chest, legs, and especially your abs every time you hold that plank. Aim for 6 to 8 reps at first, focusing on smooth, steady movement. As you get stronger, you can speed up slightly or even add the jump back in for extra intensity. What makes modified burpees so powerful is how they spike your heart rate. Even at this beginner level, you'll feel your breathing pick up and your body working hard to burn fat. This is one of the fastest ways to torch calories and kick stubborn belly fat to the curb. Push through it, because every rep gets you one step closer to a leaner, fitter you. Exercise 10. Standing punches with a twist. We're finishing this workout strong with a move that combines cardio, core, and fun: standing punches with a twist. This final burn will leave you sweating, smiling, and feeling unstoppable. Here's how it works. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and core engaged. Bring your fists up in front of your chest like a boxer. Now punch your right arm forward while twisting your torso slightly to the left, then punch your left arm forward while twisting slightly to the right. Keep alternating punches in a steady rhythm. The key here is the twist every time you rotate. Your obliques and abs fire up. Combine that with the punching motion and you're not just working your core, you're also burning calories and building upper body strength. Start at a moderate pace for control, then gradually pick up speed to push your heart rate higher. Imagine you're punching away every ounce of stress, negativity, and stubborn belly fat. Go for 30 to 45 seconds rest and repeat once more for the ultimate finisher. This move is fun, energizing, and a great way to close your beginner belly fat workout on a high note. You'll end the session feeling powerful, strong, and motivated to keep coming back for more. Well done, you've made it to the end, and that deserves serious applause. You did it. You've just completed the beginner belly fat workout. Start your journey here, and that's something to be proud of. Most people never even take the first step, but you showed up, pushed through every exercise, and made it all the way to the end. That's proof you have what it takes to transform your body and your life. Here's the important part: 1 workout alone won't melt belly fat overnight. But consistency? That's where the magic happens. If you repeat this routine 4 to 5 times per week, stay active, and make small, healthy choices each day, you'll start to see your belly tighten, your energy rise, and your confidence grow. Remember, progress is progress, whether it's big or small. Every rep matters. Don't stop here. Think of this workout as the first step on a much bigger journey. You've laid the foundation, and now it's about building momentum. If today felt challenging, that's good. It means you're pushing your limits. And the more you push, the stronger and fitter you'll become. I want you to do 2 things before you leave. First, drop a comment below and tell me which exercise challenged you the most today. I read every comment and I love hearing your stories. Second, if you found this workout helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to this channel. That way you'll never miss the next workout that can bring you closer to your goals. Your journey doesn't end here, it starts here. Keep showing up, keep believing in yourself, and soon you'll not only see the results, you'll feel them in every part of your life. Until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and keep moving forward.